Are you tired of the same look and feel of your Facebook Messenger? Do you want to give it a personal touch with a new theme? In this video, I will show you how to easily change your Facebook Messenger theme in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to customize your Messenger chat theme and make it truly yours. To get started, open up the Facebook Messenger application, open up the chat that you want to change the theme for, and then tap on the person's name at the very top. And it will bring up this menu. Once you are on this screen, you'll see that the very first option is Theme. So go ahead and tap on that. And now all you have to do next is select a theme that you like. You can scroll down and select one from this list of themes. And then tap on Select. And now you have successfully applied a theme to your chat, and both you and the person that you are chatting with will see this theme. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.